Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set location name in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So if you have a geographically distributed network means in order to identify the computer, you can set the location name. So this command will be useful for you to set the location name for each computer. Okay. So let us see how to set the location name using hostnamectl command. So login as a root user, hostnamectl space set hyphen location Chennai. Okay. So this will set the location name. You can see that location is got set successfully. So you can give many locations accordingly for each computer I am saying. So you can also clear the location name by this command hostnamectl set hyphen location empty string. So this will remove the location name. So again I am putting back the location because I need some location. So this is the way we need to set or change location name in CentOS Stream 8 operating system using hostnamectl command.